Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In this video, we are going to make a program of valid parenthesis. Okay, we will take from user a string. Okay, for brackets. Okay, and our program will return whether the given string of the brackets like small brackets, curly brackets, and square brackets. Okay, that is I am talking about a small bracket, that is parenthesis. Okay, the given set of string is a valid uh, parenthesis or not. Okay, when it will in sequence, like every starting brackets, okay, must have closing brackets, opening brackets have must have closing brackets for each things, for each brackets. Like if first we have opening brackets of parenthesis, then we must have the closing brackets of parenthesis. Okay, then we can say the given sequence of string is valid string. Okay, so we are going to write the code for this. Okay, you practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved, and this is the way you can learn in one go only. Okay, and if you are doing the mistake, then just don't worry, it is the way you can get the topic in a better way. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you all. You practice with me. Okay, now I am going to write a file name and I am going to write code. I will verbally explain the code while writing, and after the completion of code I will execute the program, and then I will write a comment. Comment is a part of a code which is not going to uh, read by compiler. Okay, it is only for the ease of understanding to user. Okay. So we will write a comment so that you can understand meaning of each line of code. Okay, so now I am going to make write it, that is valid parenthesis. Okay, dot java. This is my kindly request to you all. You practice with me, guys. Okay, uh, I have make a file name. Okay, and now I need to write here uh, PSVM, that is public static void main. Okay, main. In this we are going to write our program. Okay, why it is showing like this valid parenthesis? It is right, but it is, don't worry, it will good. Now I'm going to delete this, and now I will create again. I'm right first. And see, Java is a case sensitive language. Okay, so in place of a small alphabet, we need to write small only, we cannot write capital. Okay, and while creating the file name, we need to write, this is the convention. It is not necessary, but it is convention. And when we are creating the file for the saving of the code in Java, we need to start a file name with a small alphabet. Okay, so I'm going to write valid parenthesis dot java. Okay, now it is clear. Now I'm going to insert main method, that is psvm. This is the keyword to write public static void main string args. Okay, in Java only, in sorry, in VS Code only. While when you are using uh, online Java compiler, there is no option of this keyword, that is psvm. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a scanner class. We have to take user input, that's why. So I'm inserting it, import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, util dot scanner. and then I'm going to insert stack also. So I need to write here import java dot util dot stack. Okay, now I'm going to make object for the what scanner and a stack for both. Okay, so I'm going to write object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in. So I need to write here system dot in, and then I need to create stack. I'm going to take the element for the stack is character, so that's why I'm writing here character. Okay, st, this is the object for the stack. Okay, new stack, new stack. Okay, then I have created object for the scanner class, that is sc, and stack class, that is st. Okay, now I'm going to write a message so that user will understand what I need to enter. Okay, so I'm asking to user to enter string. Okay, string I'm writing in bracket, like bracket, you can bracket. Okay, okay, to check valid parenthesis or not. Okay, so now I'm going to I have to read all the string, so that's why I'm using string line. Okay, string str is equals to sc dot next line. Okay, done. And then I'm going to write what a variable, that is flag. Okay, uh, and I'm going to initialize it true. Okay, uh, that is in boolean. What I'm writing is valid. If the given string is valid, okay, so we have to return true. That's why I am already eh, or I am going to understand already it is a already the given string is true until and unless we proven it's wrong. Okay, till I need to understand the given string is true, so that's why I have write this. Okay, now I'm going to write a for loop for traversing the each character of the given string. Okay, so I need to write here int I is equals to 0 or I less than str dot length. Okay, and then I plus plus. Okay, now I need to write here char ch is equals to str dot char at I. Okay, and then I'm going to write if condition. If conditional statement I'm going to write, if we get the character, okay, the character is opening bracket, then we are going to insert it in a stack. Okay, and we will wait to get the respective for respected bracket of closing bracket. Okay, so I need to write here if a character is equal to opening brackets of parenthesis. Okay, or I need to write if I need to check for all type of bracket. Okay, so that's why I am writing here. If I get the curly braces, and another one is if I get character is equal to what, square bracket, then we need to push it into the stack. So I need to write st dot push character. Okay, and if not, I am getting else if I am getting ch equal to the closing bracket of parenthesis. Okay, or closing bracket of the closing brackets of the what, closing bracket of the square curly braces, and closing bracket of the what, square brackets. Then we are going to check first. Okay, then we are going to check first what, if st dot is empty, st dot is empty, if it's like that, if it is like that, then we are doing what, if it is empty means, if it is empty means we have not the opening bracket, means the this condition is going to, valid condition is going to false. So I need to write here is valid is equal to false. Okay, and then we need to break the process. Okay, and if it is not like that, okay, if it is not like that, then we are going to char top is equal to, then if it is not like that, then we are going to pop the pop, if it is not like that, if the we not get, if we not get what is, okay, if we not get the opening bracket, then we are going to check what, we are going to we are going to pop the each character from the stack. Okay, and after pop I am going to write if condition, if character equal to the closing bracket. Okay, and character and top should not be equal to what, top should not be equal to the opening bracket. Okay, character is closing bracket and top is it is not equal to the opening bracket. Okay, then we have to return false, and uh, it will same for the curly braces and square bracket. So that's why we are writing here what, or statement. Okay, so I need to write here char equal to curly braces, that is this one. Okay, I need to write here one thing here also. Okay, and after that we need to write here and top which we have popped from the stack is not equal to the what, opening bracket of curly brackets. Then in that case also, okay, we have to return false. Okay, and we are going to write here character is equal to the square opening of the square brackets. Okay, opening of the square brackets, then okay, it is should be closing bracket, and then here should be not equal to opening bracket. Then in that case we have to do is valid equal to false also, and then here should be capital V. Okay, and then here I need to write here break. And if we are traversing the each things, if we have traversed the each things, okay, then we have to write here if st dot is empty. If it is not empty, if it stack is not empty after traversing the each uh, after traversing the stack, okay, if we not get a stack empty, means some element left in the stack, means is there has no match found. Okay, for the respective brackets, means it is in that case also it is going to false. So I need to write here control Z, and it should be there also control V. Okay, and in that case also it is going to false, and after that I am going to write the result. Okay, if I get is empty, is valid, means I need to return here or string is string is string is or I should write here valid parenthesis, is okay, valid parenthesis I need to return. Okay, and if it is not get, else if I not get, so in that case I need to return what I need to return invalid here I need to write here invalid parenthesis. Okay, and after that I need to return here sc dot close. Sc dot close. Okay, why I am writing this? Because to free the memory for the scanner class. Okay, and here I am displaying the result. Okay, what here I am doing, checking stack tag checking stack is empty or not after traversing the character each character of the string for that is for loop. That is for loop. Okay, I'm checking if the stack is empty, means we have uh, matched the parenthesis. Okay, and if I get the remaining element in the stack, means we have not match found. Okay, so this is my code. Okay, and this is the code for the what valid parenthesis. Okay, now I am going to, what is this, bro? Else if ch1, here should be 1 equal to b. Okay, now I am going to run this, and then I will write a comment. Okay, it's coming. Okay, it is saying, okay, see, it is saying enter string, or a string means bracket to check valid parenthesis or not. So I need to write here, I am writing this one, that is uh, and this one also, and then okay, see, this is a valid parenthesis, our result is perfect. Okay, our code is working perfectly. Now I am going to enter another string also. Okay, entering this one and this one. After this, is closing of the square brackets, and then closing of the curly braces, and then closing of the parentheses. Okay, this is also valid parenthesis. Okay, and then I am going to enter invalid parenthesis like that randomly. Okay, now this one, okay, this one, and this one. Okay, you will see this is invalid parenthesis. Okay, so now I'm going to write the comment so that you can understand each line meaning. Okay, now here you can see, taking scanner class from a util package. Okay, to take user input. Okay, in Java, and then here we are to store opening, we are inserting. Okay, we are inserting a stack to store open uh, bracket in stack. Okay, it it's perfect for the match. Okay, because it work on LIFO principle. It LIFO LIFO property. Okay, okay, and this is the file name. Okay, file name file name where our code is going to save, and then this is the main method under which we need to write any program, execute it execute in Java. Okay, and then this is the SC creation of the SC object for the scanner class to taking user input. Okay, and this is like same creation of the ST object for the stack. And this is what it is message 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 to read message to user what actually what actually they have to enter. Okay, and then taking a string all in line. Okay, so and then this is the flag. It flag variable uh, we under I am understanding standing standing I am understanding the given string is valid until till and unless it's proven wrong. Okay, and then we are traversing each each character of the string using for loop. Okay, and this is the current character. Okay, that is ch. Okay, checking if current character is opening bracket, then sorry, opening bracket for each bracket. Okay, if it is yes, if yes, then push it into the stack and wait to get match. Okay, okay, if if current character current character is closing bracket closing bracket. Okay, then if current character is closing bracket, okay, then first check first check if the given if our stack is empty or not. Okay, if yes, if it is yes, means 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 or means there is no opening, means there is no opening bracket for the closing bracket. Closing bracket. Okay, means 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 our flag is our flag variable is wrongly wrong. Okay, and then break the process. Okay, and if it is not, see, if it is not, our 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 stack is not empty, then if a stack is not empty, then check if our stack is not empty, then check if stack is not empty, then check what is this. Okay, don't worry, not empty, then check top of the top of the top of the character, top character, then check top character of the string. Top is not a string, stack. Okay, stack. Okay, if top is not equal, the top, if top is not equal to the opening bracket, opening bracket of corresponding corresponding opening bracket, corresponding closing bracket, it's for all, it's for all bracket. Okay, bracket, it's for all bracket have opening bracket. If it is not like that, okay, means our, then in that case also our flag variable is going to false. Okay, then after getting false, after getting false of the flag variable break the process. Okay, and then after checking, after traversing the each character, each element of the stack, okay, check if it is stack is not empty, means in that case also our 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 is valid variable, that is flag is going to false, and then you don't need to uh, break the process, uh, because I have already traversed the each things, okay, and we only need to display our result, okay, and then we are displaying the result only, okay. If it is valid means it is true, our string is true, okay. Given string is true means we are printing valid, okay. And if it is not, then we are printing in invalid parenthesis, okay. So you can see this, okay. So I'm making the series of the DSA in Java, okay. uh, you can get here each topic of the DSA in Java, and on this channel only, and I will provide you also, okay, the every type of famous problem, whether it's asked in college examination or in interview, okay, for the placement, okay, or in company, okay. I will make a video for each things, okay. So this is my kindly request to you, and just you be with me, uh, you will get here everything, okay. It will take time, but I will provide you each things only, this channel only, okay. So have a nice day, and just be with me, and I'm going to close it. If you found anything wrong, okay, then just comment it. I will take care of it in while making the next video, okay. And I will try to correct it in next video, okay. And thank you guys, have a nice day, bye. Now I'm going to close this. See, this is okay right here. What is this? Okay. Thank you, bye.